morning from Amed. Today we are going to Batu Belah to get out one ghost net. All our group of that people which you saw in a previous episode, we had a meeting before. So you have to understand there's no any politics. I'm not going to blame anyone. I understand the people, local people trying to survive. I just wanna keep attention on this problem because it is a problem. It's making more damage than you get value from all this netting. You're losing the nets. That's the first thing. This net is not cheap. You don't get that much fish to get this money back anyways. So why to do it then, right? I think it's just because this someone who's doing it don't have enough experience, and that's why they do it. Maybe just to simply communicate with a local community, right? But it's a thing again that the local community is not really united. It's like old fishermen do what they do. There's someone who never been fishing trying to do it and not really consulting with this old fisherman just because it's like, okay, you've been working in a tourism, you got a lot of money previously, we've been always fishermen, and it's like a kind of conflict inside the community, I think. Anyways, so we just go and do things what we have to do, and that's it. See you later. That's what we got today. It's like a small fragments of nets and the lines and other garbage. It's like, I don't take it out.
And where we take it?
We'll just, I don't know, we will just burn it. Let's
Look,
see.
also bujías, I don't know in English.
Yeah, the ignition, what is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. The thing is that many lines been there already for a really long time, and they grown, the corals already grown into them, and so fragile. I had a feeling that in some places I just cut it off the line and I just left them into the corals, because if you're trying to take them out, then it's breaking down all the corals and that stuff. I'm not sure that people really put these nets down there by purpose. Definitely no, because to put the nets down there in that particular place, it's too expensive, because if you lose a net, it's a money. But I think they just put it down and the current changed, or high tide or low tide came, and then they just lost them. That's how it happens. Anyway, so today that was more cutting lines and getting the nets out. There was, like I said, it was only small fragments of nets on the reef. We didn't use the lift bags and that stuff, just because there was no need. So the next time then we will go and get out some nets. See you later. Nothing really else happened today. There were 7 of us, all instructors, with a really good buoyancy, good air consumption. We did more than 18-minute dive, and we covered pretty big area of the reef, and those nets been there for a pretty long time, because already the corals grow through them. And again, in some situations we decided that we will not touch them, because otherwise we're damaging bigger area than it is. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.